Want to replace the controller in your Kukirin G2 Master 2025? Here's a quick guide on how to do it. Use the tools that are included in the More kit or your own. Unscrew the 6 screws, securing the cover. Then open the cover. Now remove the metal cover of the controller. It is fastened with 2 screws. First, disconnect the power cable, connecting the battery to the controller. Then disconnect the rest of the plugs. Remember, never pull the wires, always by the connector. Here we have 2 motors bundles. Now unscrew the controller from the deck, 2 screws only. Keep the screws safe for reassembly. Carefully lift out the old controller. Make sure all cables are free. Place the new controller inside the deck. Screw the controller back on. Now we connect the cables back. First, small connector on the right. Then front engine, black and yellow connector. We do the same with connecting the rear motor. Now we connect the wide black plug. And finally, the powered cable. We check if the scooter works. If so, screw the metal cover onto the controller. The last thing is to screw the cover back on. If I helped, leave a like and stay for more. Thank you.